Abrasive, it means rude, unfriendly, rough and tough, or what does it call, harsh. So if it happens that if you are asked a question like, sir, I need to have an understanding, like, why did it happen? Could you describe? And you say, hey, why did you ask me this question? What's wrong with you? Which means you are not getting to be friendly with your students. If not, then you show up an abrasive attitude, abrasive behavior, right? So if your behavior is abrasive, it means you are having an unfriendly attitude towards your students or whoever it is, friends, family members, whoever it is. So abrasive means rude, harsh, unfriendly. Don't be abrasive with your family members, with your students, with your friends, which means don't be rude with your friends, with your family members, with your parents, with your colleagues. Don't be unfriendly. So abrasiveness is all about your rude behavior, nothing else. Got my point? Hope you got to have this whole video pretty meaningful, pretty useful. If so, if possible, if you are new to this channel, if possible, if you think it would be better for your friends, do share this video with your friends and get this shared on your timeline as well, so that whenever you get to have time, you could review this whole video and get through these words. All right, and nothing else. This high time for me to sign off. Therefore, RH signing off for now. Hope to see you on one next word. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, and get to be pretty curious about my next video. Thank you so much.